Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beautiful and inspiring story for you called The Journey of Asha. This story is perfect for English learners because it uses simple words, clear sentences, and teaches an important life lesson. It is about a young village girl named Asha who dreams of becoming a teacher. Even though her life is full of struggles, she never gives up on her dream. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. This story will not only help you practice English, but also motivate you to follow your own dreams, no matter how difficult life gets. Let's begin. Asha was a 16-year-old girl who lived in a small village near the mountains. Every morning, she woke up early to help her mother fetch water from the well and prepare breakfast for her little brother Raju. Life in the village was simple but hard. They had no running water, no electricity, and very little money. Asha loved school more than anything else. Her dream was to become a teacher one day, so she could help other children in the village learn to read and write. But there was one big problem. Her school was 5 kilometers away and she had to walk there every day. One hot summer morning, Asha woke up before sunrise. She tied her long black hair into a braid, packed her old school bag, and started her walk to school. The road was dusty and the sun soon became very hot, but Asha kept walking. At school, Asha always sat in the front row. She listened carefully to her teacher Mr. Sen, who was kind and patient. That day, Mr. Sen taught the class about dreams and goals. Dreams are like seeds, he said. If you water them with hard work, they will grow. Asha smiled. She felt as if Mr. Sen was speaking directly to her. After school, Asha stayed back to ask Mr. Sen a question. Sir, she said shyly, I want to become a teacher like you, but my family is poor. They may not allow me to study after high school. Mr. Sen looked at her with kind eyes. Asha, education is the most powerful gift you can give yourself. Talk to your parents. Show them how serious you are. And never stop learning, even if life becomes hard. Asha walked back home that evening with a new determination. At night, she spoke to her parents. At first, her father was worried. Who will work in the fields if you keep studying? He asked. Asha explained patiently, if I become a teacher, I can earn money for our family. I can help Raju go to school too. Please let me try. Her parents looked at each other. Finally, her mother smiled and said, let her try. She has a fire in her heart. From that day on, Asha worked harder than ever. She studied under the light of a small oil lamp every night. She read every book she could find. She practiced writing on old pieces of paper. Years passed. Asha finished school with the highest marks in her village. She got a scholarship to study in the city. It was difficult at first. The city was noisy and she missed her family. But Asha did not give up. Finally, after many years, Asha returned to her village, not as a student, but as teacher Asha. She opened a small school for the children of the village. On the first day, she looked at the children sitting in front of her and smiled. Dreams are like seeds, she told them, just as Mr. Sen had once told her. If you water them with hard work, they will grow. The children clapped, and Asha felt proud. Her dream had come true, and now she would help others grow their dreams too. I hope you enjoyed this story and learn something new today. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more easy English stories. You can also tell me in the comments, what is your dream? I would love to read your answers. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next story.